Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? So if you're watching out this video, so most probably you are running a garage or company and you are looking for more ways to get more leads and appointments and jobs, of course. So I suppose that at the moment you are doing Google My Business, Google Guarantee, Google PPC, but you are spending a lot of money and you're not satisfied, right? So people are really underestimating the power of Facebook ads in terms of garage or businesses. They think like Facebook is crap. Yeah, I understand. Like when we use Facebook ads, we do get crap. But in terms of when you calculate the fund, when you make a balance sheet, in the end of the month, you are making more money than Google. Yeah. So first of all, before I move ahead, so if you are willing to speak with me, in the description there are the links of everything. You can book a call. You can have a consultation and everything. Find the links and websites. Apart from that, you can subscribe to our channel so you can watch more videos which are coming in. Anyway, so my our setup is super simple that we are helping multiple businesses out there, but the first one is like garage store, then solar, roofing, HVAC, air duct, and furthermore, and they all are in home improvement niche. So as far as it's about garage door, so we are helping garage store businesses to get minimum 50 pre-qualified leads every month. Pre-qualified leads mean that that particular lead is like having looking for a garage or service, okay, and they were gonna share their name and phone number. All right. So in the when you calculate the garage door marketing, so it's not a short-term game. If you're thinking that you have to get leads in the short term and we are a lead selling company, no. You have to stop the video right now if you are thinking that we are a lead generation company. No. We basically help companies, we help businesses how to generate more business with multiple steps, of course, and we go through that, okay? So for that reason, we are not a lead generation company. If you're looking for leads, I guess you can go on Craigslist, you can go on the other places, and you can look for leads. But we don't sell leads because it's not a sustainable business, neither for you, neither for us. So instead, we are focusing on marketing thing, and we are marketing your business in a way where you get a heck a lot of leads and a crazy branding. Like I would like to name a company that is Precision Garage Doors, but when we are doing branding is like Precision, okay, but we are not doing lead generation like Precision, because Precision lead generation is actually very expensive. It's like if you have a $1,500 budget, $1,000 budget, it's okay. If you don't have, then it's like useless. So our strategy is quite different. So we simply target those people who are actually looking for garage repairs and installation, okay, or something like that. So you can suppose that if you get 10 leads, the 5 would be not interested in your service and 5 would be good. Yeah, and each lead is maximum costing you like 25 bucks, 30 bucks. And if you compare with Google, in Google you get each lead for heck 70 bucks, 90 bucks, even 100 bucks. One of my client was having like 150 bucks a lead. Damn. Okay. But and here if we spend 150 on Facebook, oh, we get 10 leads, and out of 10, 6 are good and 3 are converted into a sale. So also like market also varies, but in the end of the day, if you're looking for best leads out there, sir, Facebook is crazy. If okay, one more thing. If you are assuming that you're just gonna go and you're gonna boost the post, put your card there, and you will get leads, no, it will not work like that. It will not gonna work like that. It's crap if you do like this. Okay. What we do that we simply run ads. Okay. First of all, we have to focus on branding, then the lead generation, and the customer acquisition. We have to make funnels. But, but, if you are looking for a long-term game, 5 months, 6 months, or a year, then you can schedule a call, and we can make sure that you make a crazy return on investment. Like at the moment, if our client is putting like $1,000 in ads, he is making 1,200 against that. Yeah. So everyone is in profit. no one goes in loss. But there are some precautions we take before, but in 99% cases, we take that business off. And if you are like, if you're only spending like 5 grand, 6 grand, 7 grand a month on Google, and if you spend that money on Facebook, we can make you sure that you make money, you make more money on Facebook than Google. Make sense? In the description, you can have a call, you can visit our website, you can book a call, whatever you are looking for. All right, the call is free, and we will make sure to give you the best value. Thank you for watching.